Jeffrey, physical therapist, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. This video will be a 5-minute neck routine you can do every day to keep your neck healthy. I know most of us are either busy or just lazy, so I will not take longer than 5 minutes of your time. You can follow along as I go through the movements and exercises in real time. And quick disclaimer, perform at your own risk, of course, but feel free to modify movements as needed. You don't have to go full range if certain positions or movements are more painful. Let's move and improve. The first exercise will be working on neck rotation using a towel. 5 slow and controlled turns each side. Grab a medium-sized towel and put it around your neck. Cross your arms, one hand anchors and pulls down. The other hand brings the other end of the towel to line it up with your jaw and slowly pull to turn your head. Hold a couple seconds at the end. Exercise number 2 will be shrugs with the stretch using a towel. Now hold on to the towel behind your back, shrug your shoulders up and squeeze your traps. Then bring your shoulders down and think about reaching the towel towards the ground for a stretch. Do this 10 times. Exercise number 3 will be neck isometrics. Isometrics is contracting the muscles without movement. So in this case, we are applying moderate resistance with our hands in 4 different directions. 10-second holds each side. I hope you guys enjoy doing the routine with me. Give this video a thumbs up, share it, save it so you can come back to it whenever, and thanks for watching.